friend. Yes, today is the day that Laci has her appointment to get her rear brake cable fitted, and she's excited, so am I. And honestly, you know, it's going to be spenny, but it is what it is, sort of thing. And I know that I waited for a little while on that roundabout to cross, but you know, without a rear brake, it's a little bit more scary, you know what I mean? I'm gonna say I'm still confident without a rear brake, but it's one of those things that, you know, you kind of need. And even though I might be confident without a rear brake, it doesn't mean to say that I'm safe without a rear brake. So I kind of think I know where I'm going now. Alright, reducing speed now to 30. This is an absolutely gorgeous day, and I'll tell you what as well, it is insanely hot. Like, I mean, right now it's about 26, 27 degrees, but it's forecast to be around 33 degrees later today. So although it's not the hottest day, I mean, London was what, 42 degrees Celsius yesterday, or maybe even today. Oh, what a nice cruise down to Aldridge again. Actually managed to go the right way this time, no U-turns needed. Ah, it's a cloudless day, look. It's absolutely stunning. Alright, and we are here. I don't know exactly where to leave my bike, but I will leave it somewhere. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Ooh, what is that? That's like a cool little... What is that, from the 80s? That's cool looking. MT-09. Ooh, some stunning bikes here.
346 minutes later.
I'd just like to apologise in advance because I forgot my microphone, so the audio is going to be terrible. There will be voiceover audio. Typical traffic. So yes, as I mentioned, I had forgotten to pick up my microphone from my backpack, which is currently in the boot of my dad's car, since he was gracious enough to take my saddlebags and things I didn't need, but I had forgotten that my microphone was in the aforementioned backpack. Wisdom is forever chasing me, but I am simply faster. Anyways, this is where I would normally say that we're heading back home now, and the weather today was absolutely scorching hot. Shout out again to my dad who picked me up from Aldridge and drove me back home where it was cooler and the sun wasn't beating down on me like in a scene from Breaking Bad. And my 360 camera overheated again. Bear with me for 1 second. Alright, this is stopped working because it's overheated apparently. Let's see if we can get it to start again. Alright, let's go. Back in business. It stopped recording again. I know I always say this, but I apologise for the wind noise coming through my helmet. I'm not closing my vents on a hot day like today in order to mitigate the wind noise. But yes, my 360 camera overheats a few times in this video, and I'm really confused because I've read that the highest operating temperature for the DJI Osmo 360 is about 42 degrees Celsius or 107.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat today was at 33 degrees Celsius, so it shouldn't have overheated. I was recording in 4K at 100 frames a second since it doesn't record at 60, and I'm confused as to why it was overheating, so if anybody has any idea as to why this might be, I sure would appreciate it if you left a comment to help educate me.
no, the camera didn't overheat again, thankfully. I'm so glad that Laci is doing better now. I can assure you that I'll never make the mistake of trying to accelerate with my D-lock in the rear wheel again. But I am going to end off this video very soon, so I'd like to thank you all for watching. If this is something you enjoyed and you want to ride with me more often, please be sure to leave this video a like as well as comment below what you'd like to see on the channel next. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. Scan the QR code with your phone that's on the screen right now if you're watching on a TV. It'll take you straight to my YouTube channel on your phone where you can subscribe that way. Also be sure to turn on bell notifications so you don't miss an upload. And even if the algorithm fails to push my videos out to you after that, I upload every Monday and Wednesday at 4 PM BST or GMT, depending on the time of year. But with all that being said, thank you again for watching, thank you for your support, keep the rubber side down, and until next time, I'll be seeing you.